We'll guide you through how to make straight pattern in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because creating straight line patterns in Adobe Illustrator is useful for graphic design, backgrounds, logos, textile prints, and digital artwork. Beginners often struggle with drawing perfectly aligned lines and arranging them into clean patterns. This tutorial helps them learn an easy method to create precise, professional-looking designs quickly. Start your Illustrator application. Once the program opens, go to the top bar menu and select File to begin creating a new project. From the drop-down menu, choose New to open the Document Settings window. Select your preferred preset size based on the type of pattern you want to create. Then confirm your choice by clicking Create. After your canvas appears and is ready to use, move to the toolbar and find the Line tool. Click on the Line tool to activate it. Then move your cursor to the canvas area where you want your first line to begin. Before drawing, decide whether your straight line should be horizontal or vertical depending on your design plan. To create a perfectly straight line, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then click and hold your left mouse button while dragging the pointer in your chosen direction. Release both holds when the line reaches your desired length. Next, go to the Properties panel and adjust the thickness of the line by using the stroke controller until it looks right for your design. If you want a different appearance, you can also change the line color to better match your pattern idea. Begin drawing another line by repeating the same process you used for the first one. After creating the second line, make additional adjustments such as thickness, length, spacing, or color so your pattern starts to take shape. Continue adding lines carefully and take your time to complete the base pattern. When your base pattern is finished, arrange all the lines in the correct order. Place each line precisely so the larger pattern will align properly. Duplicate lines when necessary to save time and maintain consistency throughout the design. Finally, review your artwork carefully and make sure the finished result matches the pattern you originally wanted to create exactly.